video. So today I am going to LEIMARAM waterfall, which is also known as the Chiru waterfall. So it will take 1.5 hours maybe. So it's 42 kilometers away from my home, and I just fresh up and I have done my breakfast. So let's get ready for LEIMARAM. On the way to LEIMARAM, and I just stopped here for a while because waterfall is not only the famous one, and also LEIMARAM's different variety of local beer is also one of the famous. So now I'm gonna try one by one from this girl, and thank you to this girl because she let me taste all her different types of local beer one by one. Okay guys, she let me taste all the beer. So now I'm tasting orange, and right after that I'm gonna test that black rice beer. So how is it gonna taste? It's not bad. Okay, next. Okay, it's next black rice beer. Yes, a little bit bitter. And lastly, rice beer. Oh, it's totally alcoholic and bitter. enjoyed the video, please subscribe my blog and please hit the like button, and don't forget to smash that bell icon for the new updates. So guys, if you have any suggestion, please put comment down and I'm happy to serve it. And if any one of you want me to cover any place in Manipur, then please give comment down here. I will try my best to cover the area in Manipur. So guys, see you in the next video. Peace.